In this video, I'll be showing you the profit I was able to make with my Elirox Trading Bot. And in case you don't know, in my last video about the Elirox Trading Bot, I deposited about $1,000 and I said I want to see where I can trade this to for the next 2 to 3 months. And I'll be showing you guys all the profit, all the losses, everything. You'll be seeing it right here on this channel for the next 2 to 3 months. And I already have the first video of this series, which was the previous video, and right here is the second video of this series. So please make sure you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that I can be able to see the subsequent videos from this series, and so that you can see where I can trade this $1,000 to for the next 2 to 3 months. Thank you. And also, I'll be answering some of the questions I got from my last video, because you guys asked a lot of questions about this trading bot, how it works, the minimum deposit, how you can make profit, how to avoid making losses, all of those things. I'll be answering those questions in this video. So please, I want you to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any important information. So with that being said, let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of the Elirox app, and you can see right here, this is my demo account. And if I scroll to the side right here, this is my real account which I'm using for this series. But in case you'll be using it for the first time, just scroll to the right side again. You see where you can add your account. So the way you use this Elirox app is that you connect it to a particular broker. So you can connect it to any broker of your choice, but I currently use XNext, and I will advise you connect it to your XNext account. And in case you want to know how to do that, I already have a video on that, so please check it in the description of this video, or feel free to ask me in the comment section. I reply to your comment with a link on how you can connect your Elirox app to your XNext app and how you can set it up and everything. So with that being said, let me show you the result of the trading bot from my previous video. Now to see the result, you come here to where you have my robot at the bottom side. So I'll click on it right there, and right here on this screen is where you can see all your active trading bots, but I don't have any active trading bot right now, so the trading bot has closed. I already closed in profit or loss. I'll be showing you whichever one it is in this video. So you come here to where you have stopped. That's where you can see all the trading bot that have entered your take profit or stop loss. So you come here to where you have stopped, just click on it, and right here on this screen is the result from the trading bot. Now if you guys remember from the previous video, I said I'll be showing you how to create a bot with the 2 strategies on the app. That's the reversal strategy and the DCA strategy right there. I mentioned that in my previous video, and then I went ahead to create both trading bots, and I said in that video that I'll be showing you my own favorite trading bot which I'll be using for this strategy. But I went ahead to create both trading bots in that previous video, and I forgot to actually cancel them in that video. So please take note of that. I'm only using one trading bot for this series, which is the reversal strategy. So take note of that. So I'm not using both reversal and DCA. I'm only using reversal. And for those of you that have been watching my previous videos about Elirox, you know that I prefer the reversal strategy to the second one. So that is why I'm using the reversal strategy for this series. So I'm just saying that in case you say that I'm not using the second strategy. So you have 2 different strategies. You can use any one of your choice, but for me, I'm only using one. So take note of that. So with that being said, what is the result of this trading bot from my previous video? Now the result right here is $70.33, and that's about 21.22% right there. So this is the result from the trading bot I created in my previous video. Now you might be wondering about the duration of this trading bot and how many trades it took for me to make this profit right here. Now let's see it. So you can see on the screen right here, this trading bot took 9 trades for me, and this trading bot was trading for 9 hours 33 minutes. I was asleep throughout the time this thing was trading because I did it during the night. So it was trading throughout the night. I closed it in the morning of the second day, and that's about 9 hours 33 minutes. So you can see it right there. So it was an overnight thing, and I was asleep. So for those of you that are trying to trade and you want to use a trading bot that can trade for you while you are asleep, this is a trading bot you can use for yourself. And also I want to say this, if you remember in my previous video where I was setting up this trading bot, I put my take profit as $94 and my stop loss as $94 too. Now I didn't wait for it to get to $94. When I woke up the next day at about 9 a.m, I saw that it was already about $70 something in profit, and I decided to just close it. I didn't want to wait till it hits $94. So you can also close your trading bot without waiting for it to hit your take profit or your stop loss. Yes, you can do that. So now that you've seen this result from this first trading bot, I want to go ahead and create another one. Don't forget that this is a series, so I'm going to be doing it every single week for the next 2 to 3 months so that we can see where this $1,000 can get to at the end of 3 months. So let me go ahead and create a new trading bot, and I'll also be answering some questions that you guys have been asking me. Don't forget, I'll be answering them at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and create a new trading bot. So if you want to create a new trading bot, here's what you need to do. Now the first thing is to go back to the home page, and then right here on the home page, you come here to where you have create new bot, and then you click on it. And then right here at the bottom of the screen, you see the two kinds of trading bot you can create. You have the DCA bot and the grid bot. So the grid bot is what I'm calling the reversal. So if you hear me say reversals, that's what I mean by the grid bot. So you have the DCA bot and the grid bot. And like I said earlier, if you want to see how to create any of these two trading bots, you want to see the strategy behind them and how to set them up, please go ahead and watch that my previous video. I set them up in that video. But for me, I'm going to be using the grid bot, which is what I said I prefer. So I'll just come here, click on that. So you can see right here, this is my real account, the XNext account I connected to my Elirox app. So I'll go ahead and set up this trading bot right now and show you all the details.
A few moments later.
So I'll just set up the trading bot. So if you want to go ahead, just come here to the bottom and click on continue. And then right here on this page is where you can see all the details about the trading bot you're about to create. So you can see right here, the capital I'm using for this is $554. So I'm increasing my capital for this, which is $554. Don't forget, in the previous one, I used $330 something. So for this one, I'm increasing it to about $554. And then if you come to the bottom, you can see my take profit is $166 and my stop loss is also $166 right here. So I'm using 1:1. So once you've seen all the details right here and you are good with it, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on start bot. So just like that, I've been able to create this trading bot and I don't have to do any other thing again. This trading bot will be taking trades for me. I'll be making profit or maybe loss for me, but at the end of this trading bot, I'll be coming back to show you the profit or loss I'll be making from this bot. So again, it is a series and I'll be making it for the next 2 to 3 months, and I want you guys to follow me on this series. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now to the questions you guys have been asking me. Now the first question I've been getting a lot is that what is the minimum capital I can use for this? Now you can use as low as $100 for this trading bot. Yes, you heard that right. You can use as low as $100 for this bot. Now the second question I've been getting a lot is, how does this trading bot works? How does it make profit for me? Now it makes profit in 2 ways. The first way is the DCA strategy and the second way is the grid strategy. Now please, I also explained all of this in my previous video. So please, if you want to understand that better, please go ahead and watch that video too. All of these things I explained in that video, how to set it up, how it works, how it makes profit or loss, and so on. So please go ahead and watch that video, and don't forget to come back in the next video where I'll be showing you the profit or loss from this bot. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you all in the next one. Bye.